Samsung is giving us a lot of updates in the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and there is a big design change on the Flip 5, even confirmed by marketing images of Galaxy Z Flip 5. And that is the reason for Samsung to expect a big sales numbers on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. A surprising yet an amazing feature we are going to get on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is durability measures. Last year we get IPX8 rating on the Z Flip 4, but Samsung is going one step ahead by giving us the most amazing feature, IP58 both water and dust resistance. No other foldable or flip device gives us this feature, only Samsung do. Also, it will not completely resist dust, but something is better than nothing. This new hinge is already tested before, where we get about 200,000 to 300,000 folds, and after 200,000 folds, the strength will remain at 85%. And for an average user who fold and unfold the device 100 times a day, Flip 5 will last about 5.7 years. Do you guys know that the new hinge is bringing these updates? Where now Flip 5 will going to come with a flat folded design, means there will be no gap when phone is folded, unlike last year Flip 4 which comes with Samsung U-shaped hinge with the gap, but it is completely different on the Flip 5. Galaxy Z Flip 5, one of the biggest updates this year is its cover display. This is the new marketing image and it clearly shows the bigger cover display. Not just that, we already have the specification of this cover display, where it will come with a 3.4 inches size and a 60Hz refresh rate. Most of the people, including my subscribers, are not happy with the design of cover display, as it comes with a folded design, but Samsung is going different, where Flip 5 one half will be all black and the other half of the phone will come with color, so you cannot see the folded design until you light up the display. And one bad news for you if you love Bespoke Edition, it is not coming with the Flip 5, although Samsung is giving us 8 color options on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Along with a bigger cover display, Samsung is improving the software on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, where Samsung is going to collab with Google to give us more support for Google Apps. Now you can see directions on cover display without unfolding your device. Also, you can run YouTube on cover display and type a message, as Samsung is going to add a support for Samsung keyboard on cover display. Things didn't stop here. Samsung is going to add more widgets on the cover display and a new customized version of app drawer on the cover display. This is coming with the new software, which is One UI 5.1.1, already spotted online. Galaxy Z Flip 5 could be one of the most powerful Android smartphones for this year, as it is coming with an overclocked version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So the performance will be amazing on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, as it already beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, the power efficiency on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is way better than the last year, which helps us to get more battery life out of the same battery on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung has changed the plans for the launch of Flip 5, and we will see 2 events. First one will be in Seoul, South Korea on 27th of July, and second one will be in US, which is going to happen on August 11. And the pre-orders will start from the same day. There are new color options coming to the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which you can check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.